Good morning, everybody. What are we doing today? Sunday morning. So, we're gonna clean up this mess. We have some people coming over today, and the pool is filling up. It's almost halfway there. So, just a little bit more, and it's gonna be ready. In the meantime, I'm just gonna clean all this mess up. I think that here is gonna be a perfect setup, and more than anything, because I'm gonna have a little bit of shadow from the tree. Like I said, it's a total mess, so nasty. So I did buy the charcoal, it's right there. So that should be good enough because we're gonna be doing some chicken wings, and also there's a piece of steak that I have there. I'll show you later. But as of right now, the mission is to clean this up. And this is how it looks like right now. Check it out. There you go. Oh Lord, look at all that stuff. That was from our last barbecue. What is that? It's like an onion and sawdusty. Again, I think that's still charcoal from our last barbecue. It is a complete mess. All right, so right now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna grab this onion right here. From there, I'm just gonna start cleaning. Typically, this is how you wanna clean a little bit more when it comes to you know making sure that everything is looking good and clean, that you can safely throw your barbecue. Make sure that nothing rusty gets transferred to your food. So onion is the way to go. All right, so this is what we're working with. So we're gonna proceed and throw that on the freaking grill because it's ready to go. Here we go. All right, so there you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. And throw that in there like that. This one, hell yeah. And okay, I think that's good enough. I'll share something with you. Typically, I wear my watch because I like the rule of giving it about 2 minutes and then I flip them. Flip it and then I do it again until I start seeing that the texture is changing, and then it's just gonna look amazing. So right now it's 116, 118. I'm gonna flip them. And if you wonder in terms of seasoning, I just add a little bit of salt. That's it. That's it. I know that some other people like to marinate their meat the day before, and then because it catches different flavor and stuff like that. But I'm not like that, so I'm just like to keep it very simple, and then that has worked for me very well. So again, just keeping track of time. 2 minutes. I flip them. I'll show you in a minute how it looks. And grilling, guys, is one of the things that I enjoy the most. Before I didn't have Sunday sauce, so I stopped doing it for a while. But when I first got my grill, uh, I was almost throwing freaking barbecues every Sunday or every weekend I could, you know. It's just fun. It's fun. It's relaxing. It's fun. Okay. All right. It's ready. It's time to flip it. Oh. So that one. Right. Happens. So good. So good. Okay, there we go. All right. Let's check it out. Looking good. Like I said, have a couple of other things going on here. Let's check it out. See that one right there? Now she's already hungry, so I'm gonna make sure I give her a piece of something the very minute that, you know, one of the steaks is ready to be eaten. So she's gonna be the first one to try it. It's looking like right now. What do you think of that? It's almost done realistically, and guess what? That one right there. See that one? She's gonna get her piece very soon. You want a piece? Want a piece of meat? Absolutely. So we'll definitely come back to it in 1 second. So that's what we're gonna call it the delayed gratification. But she's suffering right now. Like, I'm just throwing this barbecue, all the smell, all the smoke, and she's like, what am I getting? What are you talking about? So just bear with me. It's almost done. Okay, quick update. This is how we're looking like right now. Like I promised, I'm gonna give one of these pieces to that right there. But also, I'm gonna call my son. You're on camera. Do I have your permission? Come here. So I'm gonna give you this piece. Be careful. Come on. It's not. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Be careful. How does it taste? From 1 to 10, how does it taste? Do you like it? There you go. 10 right there. Thank you so much. Here it is. Nice. There. And this right here is our last batch right before I throw the chicken. So pro tip right here, that one I highly recommend you always put it on a pan, because if you throw it on the grill just like that, then it's gonna drip a lot of freaking, like, what's that, grease, and then a lot of fat, and then you're gonna have a burning hell down there. So it's absolutely recommended, especially if you're like the new guy trying to learn how to, you know, throw a barbecue for your family, like if you're just getting started. All right, quick update. The last piece that I put right there, it's almost ready to be dismissed. So I just give it about 1 more minute and it's gonna be ready to go. Right after that, I'm gonna focus on the sausages and on this, what you call these, peppers. They are filled up with cheese. And after that, we're gonna go straight to the chicken wings. So we're almost done, guys. Right, so this is a quick update on how the sausages are doing. Do you remember when I told you about you have to put them on the pan because otherwise it's gonna be dripping a lot of freaking fat? Look at that. Look at that down there. They're looking good so far. They're about to be done. Right after that, we're gonna go with the chicken wings on the freaking grill. And again, guys, just gonna want to do this at the very end, mainly because if you do it before, they're gonna burn on the outside, and on the inside they're gonna be raw. So always keep that in mind. Just throw that in there. Every man that's this stuff, especially over their 30s. I started this when I was on my 20th, mid 20th maybe. I enjoy it, so it's really good. And again, I try to keep the same rule, not as much as the 2 minutes because I think 2 minutes is too soon. Uh, Maybe you can bump it up to 4 minutes this time around. The only one thing I'm gonna do this time, which is different, it's I'm just gonna close this stuff. Close it. And just keep track of time. Right now, look what time it is right now. 2:20. Already quick update on the wind. So I decided to give it about 6 minutes actually. So this is the first flip. This thing right here, what you can do, like when you're flipping them, you can like pour it on top of them, and this is supposed to give it like a more flavor. So you can always do that, you know. Hopefully I'm not I'm not messing with the fire, but that's supposed to give it more flavor. So you can always do that, and I think it's gonna work just perfectly fine. So I'm gonna let them sit right there for around 6 more minutes. I'll close this thing right here. Hey guys, quick update on the chicken wings. They are not done yet, but they are starting to look amazing. I want to buy one of those right now, honestly. So they're looking fantastic. So yeah, I can wait to have them ready. I'm gonna probably flip them like 2 more times, probably. Again, the chicken is like, you want to be careful with it because you don't want it to be raw. You don't want for your, like, whenever you have one of your people come over and like buy the chicken and find out after that bite that is bleeding in the inside. Come on now, we cannot afford that to happen. So we gotta be very careful. It's almost done. The key, like I said, is just making sure that you're flipping them and you're keeping track of them. Like I said before, I'm giving it about 6 minutes. So they're looking fantastic. Judge, you know, for yourself. Hey, look at them. They're looking nice. We're gonna give it a couple more flips and they should be good to go. It's been a pleasure to, kind of share with you how my weekend went today. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna be uploading some more videos next time. We're gonna probably do something outdoors. I know this is something that I did in my house. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.